You might have seen very exciting and beautiful visuals like graphs and charts and wondered about the software used in making them. Or perhaps you have seen very interactive dashboards so sleek and explanatory that you could understand the message being passed. Well, most likely, Power BI was used to make these visuals and dashboards. In this video, I'll be talking about Power BI, its uses, and why you should consider learning Power BI. Hi, my name is Boluwatife. I am an instructor at Zakrak Learning, a data school that trains and connects talents with placement opportunities. Power BI is a business intelligence and analytics software developed by Microsoft. It is a unified, scalable platform for self-service and enterprise business intelligence, used to connect and visualize any data, and seamlessly infuse the visuals into the apps you use every day. Power BI is used mostly by data analysts and business intelligence analysts to build dashboards and reports. This is largely because of its interactive and appealing visuals, which makes it easier to present findings in ways that people can easily understand. Of course, there are a lot of similar tools that can be used that compete with Power BI, but Power BI is obviously one of the most popular and used tools. Power BI is one of the most popular and used business intelligence tools because of its advantages over other tools. First is that Power BI is easy to learn, which makes it easy for beginners to work with. It also makes it easy for organizations to transition into it. Second, Power BI connects and integrates easily with other apps used by organizations. It is capable of analyzing and visualizing even large data sets. It is faster and performs better than other BI tools. It has the ability to connect with varying and multiple data sources. Go to zakraklearning.com. Click on Roadmaps. Select Power BI. Filter the courses. Click on Start Learning. Select a payment option. Create an account and start learning. Don't forget it takes consistency, practice, and dedication to master a new skill. Give yourself time and choose the learning style that best suits you. Wishing you success.